In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop a JPEG in Inkscape like a pro. This tutorial covers everything from simple clipping for non-destructive edits to permanent cropping and advanced adjustment methods. Whether you are creating social media graphics or professional layouts, mastering the crop tool workflow is essential for any designer using this powerful free software. Inkscape is a fantastic tool because it gives you absolute control over how you handle your image data, allowing for both creative freedom and technical precision. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more design tips and tricks that will level up your creative workflow. All right, let's get started by setting up our workspace and importing our image. First, open Inkscape and go to File and then Import, or you can simply use the shortcut Ctrl+I. Select the JPEG image you want to work with from your local files and bring it onto your canvas. When the Import dialog box pops up, usually the default settings work great, so go ahead and click OK. Now we need to define the shape of our crop. To do this, draw the crop shape over your image. You can use the rectangle tool by pressing R, the circle tool by pressing E, or the Bezier tool by pressing B if you need a custom shape. For this example, let's use the Bezier curve because it offers the most flexibility for complex subjects. Start placing your points carefully over the shape and make sure to join your curve at the end to create a closed path. Once you've drawn your shape, place it directly over the area of the image you want to keep. This shape acts as a frame for your photo. It is very important to ensure your Z order is correct. The cutter shape must be on top of the image. If it isn't, just select your shape and press the Home key on your keyboard to bring it to the very front. Now it's time to apply the clip, which is the secret to cropping in vector software. Select both the image and the shape by holding Shift and clicking on each one so they are both highlighted. Then go to the top Object menu, select Clip, and then click on Set. You can also use the custom shortcut Ctrl+M if you have that configured. You will see that the parts of the image outside your shape have disappeared completely, leaving only the desired area behind. If you ever need to undo this process or adjust your frame, simply select the clipped image and go to Object, Clip, and Release, or use the shortcut Alt+M to get your original image and shape back as separate pieces. This non-destructive workflow is great because you never lose your original photo data. Note that if you want to use multiple shapes to crop one single image, you must select all those shapes first and go to Path, then Union to combine them into one single path entity before performing the clipping action. Now, if you want a permanent, destructive crop that creates a new file and removes all hidden pixels, here is how you do it. First, have your clip applied as we just practiced. Then open the Export panel by pressing Ctrl+Shift+E. In the Export Settings sidebar, make sure you are firmly on the Selection tab so you only export what you have highlighted. Set your desired file format to JPEG or PNG and specify your export location, and then click Export. This creates a brand new file containing only the pixels inside your clip boundary, which is the best way to reduce file size and finalize your work for other platforms or for web use. That is how you efficiently crop JPEGs in Inkscape using multiple methods, from simple frames to permanent exports. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.